At the close of expression of interest last week, we had 7 people expressing interest. As I speak now, 4 of them have already been nominated. The 5th is just waiting, and we are nominating him anytime now. As you know, expression of interest is not final. Candidates can express but lose interest before the time of nomination. And even nomination is not final, because engagements are going to continue until the campaigns, the primaries, until we get one candidate. We engage all the candidates. We appeal to them to have harmonious campaigns, because our campaigns are going to be at the same joint place. Therefore, be peaceful. If we don't harmonize peacefully, then they will go to their polls, and the winner will be the flag bearer for the NRM. So we urge the people of Anyubani to be harmonious, work together, and we get an acceptable candidate.
As Member of Parliament for Adjumani West constituency in Adjumani district.